दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा. When the lockdown happened, people were like, "Oh, this is called the Asha Negi lifestyle."
With you.
Oh God, let me finish the coffee. अब तो मेरा हाथ छोड़ दो, इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ मैं. That I love doing. ऐसे real life में भी. No यार, people don't really flirt with me. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं बहुत ऐसे बहन वाली vibe देती हूँ लड़कों को शायद से. अशफाक मियाँ. ये है यार, और सच बताओ अभी भी करती हूँ. Oh God. I think cameo was for 1 month, but I performed so bad that they cut short it to 10 days. I just wanted to be on screen. I just wanted my parents, my family members to watch me on television.
दिल की गुल्लक में प्यार की सिक्के थोड़े थोड़े डाल के जमा कर लिए. मेरी झुकी नजर तेरी है. मैं तुम्हारी थोड़ी मदद चाहिए अनऑफिशियली.
ये किडनैपिंग से रिलेटेड?
कोई बताए क्या कह रही कुछ तो था तेरे मेरे दरमियां.
All right, Asha. So I am officially welcoming you on Coffee Time with Griha. You're sitting with your cup of coffee. So cheers to that.
Yes.
Beautiful little cup that you have over there.
I know, yours too.
कैसा जा रहा है lockdown? I mean, I eventually and by default have to ask this question because we are all in that state जहाँ पे सबसे पूछना पड़ रहा है कि भाई are you doing okay? Because you know sometimes being at home also tends to get overbearing. I know you've been shooting in the pandemic also, so that is an added dar.
Right.
So how are you managing?
Correct. When we initially started with the shoot, I think we all were really paranoid because इतने time से कोई बाहर नहीं निकला था. Only because of shoot we stepped out and ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे हम बाहर निकले and we'll get COVID. ऐसा लग रहा था. So we were all really paranoid and really scared. But I think थोड़े दिन में आदत पड़ गई थी for the new normal and we were all the new norms and being very careful and we were taking all the precautions. So then we realized, ठीक है. I think social distancing and masks, gloves, everything and sanitization थोड़े time में. And I think that's how we all will have to function now.
That's true.
So yeah, but otherwise the lockdown, mine was not really bad. It's because I any which ways stay at home. I love staying at home. And I in fact मैं काफी बदनाम भी हूँ दोस्तों में that I don't meet them. I don't party, I don't chill. So when the lockdown happened, people were like, "Oh, this is called the Asha Negi lifestyle." So for me it was nothing new. I was still at home doing my own thing. So इतना भी बुरा नहीं था मेरे लिए.
So the last time we spoke, we were speaking about Barish, of course, and this time
Barish, yes.
Talk about Abhay 2, and the fact that you are playing a person who's on this side of the spectrum, and a journalist, investigative journalist at that. So before I get into the details of the character, investigative journalism takes a lot out of a person. You have to be nosy, like really nosy to get to the bottom.
Really nosy, on your toes every time.
Yes. So are you a nosy person in real life? Like, do you want
Not
to
at all.
find out stuff?
Not at all. I am a chiller. People call me space cadet. So yeah, that's how I am in real life. And for me, being there, being nosy, being on your toes every time, being very opinionated, that I really had to be aware, every time, like what is happening around and I need to be on my toes. I really had to prepare for it. And most of the time I'm chilling, in the chilled out zone, slouching. So that also I had to take care of. I can't slouch. Have to be uptight and straight.
Yeah.
Look confident.
But this is a welcome change. Why I'm calling it a welcome change is because all your fans and even people who follow you have not really seen you do something which is out and a bold character. Like you've always played the girl next door. That has been an association with Asha Negi. Khatron Ke Khiladi is a different ball game. वो तो reality से.
Correct. Yeah.
You actually were signed on for Abhay. Two people were also pleasantly surprised. Ki, Asha is also playing, doing a role very, very different.
Yeah.
from whatever people perceive of you.
Yeah. In fact, I'll tell you frankly, I was dying to do something different. Like, of course, I was very comfortable doing my girl next door, and because इतनी आदत पड़ चुकी है उसकी, बहुत comfort zone था, लेकिन challenging नहीं हो रहा था. And I really wanted to do something challenging, which challenges my inner actor. And when this project came up, I told my team, listen, let's do it. And I did not have a second thought at all. I really wanted to do it. Not a piece of cake for me, like my previous shows. But yeah, maza bahut aaya karke. It was new, it was fresh for me as well. Really happy, yeah. People are accepting me in that as well. Because kahin na kahin एक हल्का सा doubt होता है कि लोगों ने इतना देख लिया है ऐसा girl next door image में, पता नहीं they'll be able to accept it or not. So yeah, I'm happy with I'm satisfied with the responses that I'm getting.
But when you came to the industry, you started out with a role which had gray shades. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. So were you, because उस समय तो you're fairly raw, you're just starting out. तो कभी ऐसा डर नहीं लगा कि I would be perceived in this way only क्योंकि मैंने अपना पहला show कर दिया with a negative character. So that was also like a perception that kind of could have stayed with you.
Not really. मैंने इतना सोचा भी नहीं, frankly, उस time पे. पता है, I'll tell you, when I had come to Mumbai, I came up with this planning that, I've started my career with modeling. I did a state pageant. Now I will go to Bombay and I'll only do prints or films. ऐसे सोच के आई थी. Then later with time, और घर वालों ने भी, they had only given me 3 months. 3 months में कुछ होगा तो ठीक है, नहीं तो वापस आ जाना. They were not even ready. They were not even ready to send me to Bombay. So ऐसे convince करके आई थी and ये सोच के आई थी. But with time I realized, यार, it's not that easy. Me coming from a middle class background, सीधा Bombay आ गई, auditions दे रही हूँ, क्या होगा? And I also came very unprepared. कुछ acting नहीं सीखी, कुछ नहीं, बस आ गई. But then I realized, it's not that easy, and I think I'll have to do what I get. So I started auditioning, and then I of course started auditioning for television also. Then I did a cameo in a show for 10 days. This was before Bade Achhe Lagte Hain. Okay. I think the cameo was for 1 month, but I performed so bad that they cut short it to 10 days. Post that, I got Bade Achhe Lagte Hain. And I got a negative character, but I think उतना मैंने सोचा नहीं था तभी कि यार, what if, whatever the consequences are. I just wanted to act. I remember, I just wanted to be on screen. I just wanted my parents, my family members to watch me on television, and and that I did, and I was in fact very excited because I was getting to work with Ram Kapoor and Sakshi ma'am. So uske baad, so I think I got Pavitra Rishta. So yeah.
And is it like a coming full circle for you also, because you're working with Ram Kapoor again in Abhay too? So ये कैसा? I mean, did you actually had those memories to relive? बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं क्या? या कुछ ऐसा?
Of course. In fact, when I got to know that Ram sir is also a part of the show, I was so excited. I'm like, okay, after 8 years, I guess we will be working again. And at that point, I was so new, almost a struggler. And how nervous I used to be, how intimidated I used to be by Ram sir, how nervous I used to be in front of him. So I was really excited to do this again. And while you were shooting, we were recollecting all the moments, how it used to be, how I used to forget my lines. And they were always really sweet and really kind towards me. That you remember that, oh God, even in the beginning of your career, you were so new, but they were so senior, they were so talented, and they were still kind and supportive towards me. You never forget that.
Yeah.
So I only have good memories about it. And we did get all nostalgic while shooting for Abhay too.
Okay, I see behind you, Asha, you have a lot of books, and since you say that you like to stay at home, so do you like reading? Because आपको जो Instagram handle है उसमें भी, what if I fall and what if you fly? I mean, Erin Hansen, you have actually quoted that poem also. So do you like reading a lot?
I try to read. I really have to like work on it. I really have to make an effort to read because I want to read. Yeah, I want to read more. But I wouldn't say that I'm like a natural reader. जो एक book शुरू करते हैं तो फिर बिना खत्म किए उसको नहीं छोड़ते हैं. And you know what happens with me? I mostly end up reading non-fictional. But then I realize halfway through the book that no, I can't finish the book. And maybe I should stick to fictional. But when I read fictional, I actually end up finishing the book. And इसीलिए ना, whenever I go out, I end up buying books because I like the whole idea of reading it. And I really want to start wanting to read books, read more books.
Okay. And also the fact that this lockdown has given people a lot of time, a lot of people have become extra active on social media, but you as a person are known to take those little detoxes from social media. I've seen that you've done that in the past also. Abhi bhi, I think for a week, 2 weeks, you wanted to stay away from social media. Is it for your own personal growth or a space that you want to have to yourself? What are those detoxes for? That complete.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. I think it's for my own personal space that I want from the external world. And it really helps me because what happens is we have all the social media accounts on our phone, and every time we sit, relax, or not doing anything, we just end up scrolling through it. And I feel not firstly very big reason is like what exactly is happening outside. Everybody needs a break from it, I feel. So firstly, the main reason is that, and secondly, I feel that sometimes I feel I'm an empath and I end up absorbing a lot of energy. So I really need to do those detoxes because Instagram is also source of energy which you are getting from the external world, people's energy, people's pictures, captions. So I feel that sometimes you need that break to just be in your own space and not disconnect from that outer world, from those energies. So yeah, that is the main reason that I do it normally. But yeah, a lot of reasons what exactly is happening outside. Actually, so much.
Yeah, and that's one thing that is that I think everybody needs to take a break from, because certain things have become a mockery. I mean, and people have become so intolerant. मैंने एक post देखा था where you were wanting to, it was a celebratory post on Pavitra Rishta, and you wanted to share your memories of the show.
Yeah, right.
It's one of the iconic show. Unfortunately, there, Sushant is no more, and he's been the longest association of the show as well. Having said that, when you actually put out that appreciation post, it was about the show and not really about about Sushant. However, he was part of the show, but you guys have never worked together. You
exactly
came after a leap. So
yeah, right.
And I think a lot of fans gave you a lot of grief because of not mentioning that. Do you think people are forced to do something in the name of trend कि भाई मुझे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा लिखना ही पड़ेगा because that is what is expected out of me?
Sometimes I feel maybe that is the case, because a lot of times a lot of things happen and I just feel that I feel the grief, I get affected by what has happened, but I don't know, it's just me, but I feel it's not necessary to follow the trend and post a picture of the person on social media. It's okay, it's completely fine if you do that. There is no harm in that. But if somebody's not doing it, I don't think people should end up trolling them for not posting a picture or not writing a caption or not writing anything related to that matter. People sometimes just, they don't like doing it, and they don't like putting it on social media or putting it out there that, okay, this happened, now I'm feeling grief or I'm really affected by it. Because people also can do it in their own private space and not show it to the world.
Exactly.
And when people have problem with that, I really get surprised. Yeah, what is this world?
And suddenly the news also has become something else. From where it started, it's really become something else.
I completely agree. That though, it's exhausting.
It is. So on that note, since it is exhausting, what we will do is we'll take more sips of our cups of coffee. I have this little segment that I like to call Sip and Spill. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Take a sip. If you have or you are good at imitating actors and actresses, like the snap of your fingers.
Not at the snap of my fingers, but I imitate people.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe not
Imitate
actor,
me.
actresses. No, like I'm not really good at it.
Spend kind of.
But yeah, like we were doing Fear Factor, and let me have a second. So we were doing Fear Factor, and there was Natalia, one of the contestants. She also became a very dear friend, really sweet. And the way she used to talk, it was very like, Indian. She was Brazilian and Punjabi. So uska jo accent tha bada interesting tha, and how she used to talk, I think the way she used to talk, Rakesh, and then the way that she used to call names. Abhi to मैं भूल गई हूँ because it's been a really long time.
Yeah.
So not really good at it, but sometimes.
And no particular actor that you were obsessed at and you always used to imitate, even before coming to films and television.
Yeah.
होता है ना कि शीशे के सामने खड़े होके किसी को imitate कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. Imitate नहीं करती थी, पर शीशे के आगे खड़े होके से देखती थी कि which actress do I look like? Kajol, जूही चावला. तो बचपन में तो वही सब फिल्म देखते थे ना, तो वो करती थी. But yeah, I think जब भी मैं आई थी तो करीना कपूर की बहुत एक्टिंग की थी.
Okay.
या कुछ डायलॉग्स थे जो अभी नहीं आएगा, अभी
मैं
इतना
अपनी
perfect नहीं
favorite
आएगा. हाँ, मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ. एंड जब वो पानी पी रही होती है, या फिर वो ट्रेन में अब तो मेरा हाथ छोड़ दो, इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हुआ है. दैट आई लव डूइंग, ऐसे रियल लाइफ में भी. और वो भी अभी देखो मुझे याद आते जा रहे हैं. कभी खुशी कभी गम का अशफाक मियां. That also I love doing.
Kajol sa.
Ashfaq Miyan. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, Filmo say, this one's the next one. Take a sip. If you've ever had friends in school associating the song Dil Hai Chota Sa Choti Si Aasha with you.
Oh God, let me finish the coffee. So many times. Like वो तो अभी तक बचपन से ही. And one of my class teacher also used to sing it for me. जब भी मैं रोने लग जाती थी, वो मुझे डांटती थी, मैं रोने लग जाती थी, तो वो मुझे अपनी गोद में बिठा के गाना गाती थी. So yeah, ये तो बचपन से ही चलता आ रहा है.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Take a sip. If there has been a person who's really used a cheesy pickup line on you and you still remember it.
No, yeah, people don't really flirt with me.
क्यों भाई?
पता नहीं यार, I don't know. वैसे मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं बहुत ऐसे बहन वाली vibe देती हूँ लड़कों को शायद से.
That's not true. I can assure you that.
No, but ऐसे cheesy line तो नहीं दी. या तो डर लगता है, नहीं डर तो नहीं लगेगा.
हो सकता है.
But हो सकता है ना.
हो सकता है. They can get intimidated by you.
Yeah. Cheesy line तो नहीं बोली. I don't remember.
Okay, and take a sip. If anybody has ever, one of your co-actors has flirted with you on your shoot set.
Yeah.
क्या कहानी है इसके पीछे? Who has flirted with you?
नहीं मतलब ऐसे जनरल हेल्दी फ्लर्टिंग तो होती रहती है ना लाइफ में. बस वही.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Take a sip. If you've written or received a love letter in your life.
I think school time में किया होगा ये. मैंने भी किया होगा और मुझे मिला भी होगा जहाँ तक मुझे याद है. Cards, you know.
हाँ. वो Valentine's Day cards. हाँ.
Yeah, exactly. कितना अच्छा लगता था उस टाइम पे ये सब.
All of them are one thing. Everything is texting these days.
I swear, yeah. What is this? Anyways.
Okay, take a sip. If you still remember the question and answer round of the Miss Uttarakhand pageant that you won in 2009, what were you asked and what did you answer?
I don't remember. I don't remember, but यही होगा कुछ, about humanity or global warming, ऐसे कुछ होगा. I don't remember.
तो मतलब आपको ये भी नहीं पता कि क्या ज्ञान पेला आपने ग्लोबल वार्मिंग और
हाँ मुझे याद नहीं, या वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट कुछ तो ऐसे होगा, ऐसे ही
okay.
कुछ था, आई एम श्योर, या बट एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
Okay, all right. Take a sip if you've had a crazy fan experience ever in your life.
Yeah, many. But yeah, then I remember this guy from, I think, South Africa. On Twitter, I think he had sent me a picture of my name tattooed. So yeah, that was really sweet. Yeah, he's a
He
young
tattooed it
boy.
on his arm. Wow, man.
On his arm, I think, if I'm right. Yeah, arm only. So yeah, that, and there was a fan who had they name stars on your name, right? They do that. They register stars on your name.
Yeah.
So that has also been done. Yeah, I've been felt really, really special like that.
Okay, nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
All right. Take a sip if you are a closeted Vampire Diaries fan.
I am. Let me have a sip. I am.
Holder के लिए, Damon Salvatore के लिए तो नहीं.
God. So hot. Love him.
I binged on the show just because of Damon Salvatore. I mean,
है ना?
Holder.
So sexy, yaar. But so many of them, Damon, and I think बाद में ना Klaus भी अच्छा लगने लग गया था मुझे. Elijah also, जो बाद में आए थे. Yeah.
Do you binge on rom-coms and these kind of shows? Those
I love watching them. Just make me feel light and happy. I want to watch heavy stuff, but I mostly end up watching rom-coms. Yeah.
Okay, the next one. Take a sip if you have used Beauty Plus app to edit your pictures ever. Ban हो गया है यार.
ये है यार, और सच बताओ अभी भी करती हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत.
All of us do that, don't we? Obviously, yeah.
But some of the features are so nice.
Yeah, they're cool.
So nice.
I also find it very cool. Chances you are having that bad day where you're just not up for it and you want a picture.
Correct.
Do it. And
exactly. And sometimes, so I have phases. Either I'll keep posting or I'll just be out and vanished. So when I am in that spree of posting ना, I'll ऐसी कोई भी पुरानी फोटो उठाई, उसको Beauty Plus पे ले गई, edit किया, डाल दी. But then I stay very careful with that because बहुत ज़्यादा भी edit I don't like.
You can't overdo it.
है ना?
I have seen people who just overdo it. I think they use the slimming feature a lot. And you have seen, I mean, I don't want to fat shame anyone, but I have seen that person in real life and the head becomes this small, the body becomes a jeep sa, even the walls are caving in and the
walls are also going in. It's so funny.
Yeah, they are bad at editing. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one. Take a sip if you have ever Insta-stalked a celebrity who's sort of questionable, like वैसा controversial celebrity who have Insta-stalked.
Yeah. So many times and so many of them.
Tell me one. Questionable celebrity comes. Indian, not Hollywood. Indian.
Yeah, Indian only. Hollywood, I don't think I have.
Guilty pleasure.
Indian only.
What?
Yeah.
Don't tell me Poonam Pandey, Rakhi Sawant, all these people.
No, there are more. And seeing the stories or videos or pictures and then sending it to friends. That's where the fun lies.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, this is the last one. Because obviously you are a Garhwali, you from Dehradun. Take a sip if you can sing in Garhwali.
Yeah, so I am a Kumauni, but it's like
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like Garhwali Kumani same ही हुए.
तो
But
कुमारी
yeah, I can sing. कुमारी सुनाने तो गढ़वाली भी आता है, दोनों आते हैं.
Okay.
सुनाना पड़ेगा ना?
Track था ना?
Okay. Let me sing this one. बेड़ पाको बारमासा, बेड़ पाको बारमासा, नरणा कपल पाको चैता मेरी छैला, नरणा कपल पाको चैता मेरी छैला.
You know what? So you know Tripti Dimri, right? I mean, first of all,
Yeah.
that was beautiful. That was really beautiful. But the uncanny
you.
thing is that she selected the same song to sing. By the way.
Really? You know, Tripti, I had messaged because I had, after Bulbul released, and I had told her that Bulbul मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा है, but I'm such a huge fan of yours after watching Laila Majnu.
Yeah.
Have you seen that film?
Yes, I have. Because of
So,
Imtiaz
yeah,
Ali.
you know, yeah, but exactly Imtiaz
Yeah,
Ali.
because of
But
Sajid's
it's so
direction.
underrated.
Yeah, it is.
Correct. So underrated, yaar.
I know.
I feel so bad. Both of them, Avinash and Tripti.
Avinash,
This so good and what a film, yeah.
No, it was
I
really
watched it
nice.
4 to 5 times.
And
I'm glad they
watched it
did.
online is more than the people who watched it in theaters, by the way.
So I would accept it that I of course watched it online. होता है ना कभी कभार, you know, you don't end up going to the theater, but then later a friend recommended and I watched it and I went mad. तब से like पकड़ के लोगों को घर में बुलाती हूँ और लैला मजनू दिखाती हूँ. Yeah, so that's how I watched it 4 to 5 times.
But that's actually the boon of OTT. And good, I mean, now that I've come to the end of the interview, I wanted to ask you this because you have made that. I mean, I was talking to Sanaya. Sanaya said that, you know, it's also luck, but it's also a lot of typecasting that television actors who have been associated with TV, they come from. Sanaya and all these people started early, you know, and they've been associated with these shows. So she was bold enough to mention that they have just been sidelined because casting directors would not even reach out to them, and the argument is that you're too popular on TV, we can't bank on
Yeah.
you. So did you actually get that often? I mean, making that shift with Barish with OTT to OTT.
So yes, of course that happened, and for me it was, I don't know, I'm very thankful also for that time, and that was not very happy memories of mine. But after doing Pavitra, in fiction, I tried doing 2 shows which got shut in one month. And post that, I lost all my confidence. I was like, you know, maybe this is the end. Maybe, you know, that's where the actor vanishes and, you know, is out of it, and we don't get work. So yeah, it really hampered my confidence and I was in so much self-doubt. But that time, I'm glad happened because I utilized it and I worked on myself as a person, as an actor, and I came out stronger after it. And I also decided that maybe those were mistakes, but of course no regret. But yeah, I need to be more selective now. I need to be more patient now. I just can't pick a project because I'm dying to act or I'm dying to work. So I waited for some time, and then finally Barish came. And firstly, it was on OTT. Secondly, a lot of reasons to do it. So Barish happened, it worked, and the second season happened. And post that, I think, because वो कहीं ना कहीं एक television से OTT का वो हो गया था ना transition. So in a way that helped me. Though Barish was, you know, again I was playing the same similar kind of character, but Barish was very different than what I have done in television. More organic, more natural. And so I feel that transition really helped me. That break also helped me because I did not take anything, because I think अगर उन दोनों shows के बाद वापस से कोई television show करती जो maybe शायद से successful हो जाता, तो you know, the same problem would have occurred which Sanaya mentioned of being too famous on television. So I'm glad that transition happened, and फिर वो OTT का tag भी लग गया था, and then I happened to do Abhay. So yeah. I think yeah, for me, whatever is happening at the right time and in the right way. I'm quite happy with how it is happening.
Okay. So what is next for
Yeah.
Choti Si Asha?
Once Abhay releases on the 29th of September, there is Ludo coming on, I don't know when, on Netflix, but in a couple of months. And yeah, first film.
Yeah, it's your first film, man. Anurag Basu.
Yeah,
You know, that's
Anurag Basu. I know, that's so cool. So yes, I'm waiting for that as well. Now let's see उसके बाद क्या होता है.
So before I let you go, and of course we'll be talking to you once Ludo releases, so that'll happen. Fingers crossed, and all the best for it, and all the
Yes.
best for Abhay too, of course. But before I
Thank
let you
you.
go, ये मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश है कि छोटी सी आशा, since it's been associated with you, why don't you sing for us and then we'll let you go.
छोटी सी आशा. दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा. You know what? This is the first time I'm singing this song.
Wow, you sing so well, Asha. I'm not kidding it. I'm
No.
not kidding. Seriously. मतलब
Yeah.
आसमानों में, I mean, you have the lay, taal, everything. Yeah.
No, because I was thinking this is the first time I have never practiced on this song. Otherwise, जैसे कुछ गाने होते हैं ना जिनमें आप कभी-कभी बैठ के गा लेते हो.
मुझे पता है कि मैं अच्छा साउंड करती हूँ.
हाँ, ये तो मैं अच्छा ही साउंड करती हूँ. So this was like a little dicey.
Yeah, man, but no. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, Priya.
Thank you so much for being part of the show, and thank you so much for doing this and finding time to do this. And it was really lovely talking to you, Asha.
Yeah, same here. Lovely being on the show. Lovely talking to you.